This is the finished app. It works, it's done, and right now it exists only on my laptop. Nobody on earth can install it live. Every single step on screen, including the part that goes wrong. And I'm going to show you the things Google does not warn you about. The 2 weeks wait nobody mentions, the rule that traps every first time developer, and the reason your app can be finished for a month before a single human being can download it. This is my 12th app. The first 12 taught me all of this the hard way. Hi, I'm Roman. I'm a computer engineering student. I've published 11 apps in Play Store in the last few weeks, so this pipeline is a very fresh pain for me. Before we start, this is where your app ends up. This is my Play console. 11 apps all at different stages right now, and that's actually going to be useful later because I can show you every step of the process happening at the same time. Here's the whole roadmap. 1. Developer account. 2. Create the app and write the store listing. 3. The build. 4. Close testing. This is the one that catches everybody. 5. Submit for review. 6. Production. Live installable. Step 1 to 5 we are doing right now. Step 6 happens weeks later, and I will explain exactly why. If you don't have a developer account yet, this is the first thing, and it's the only thing that in the entire process that you have to pay for. Not per year, not per app. One payment forever. You can publish as many apps as you want after that. That's it. That's the entire cost of becoming an Android developer. My 11 apps all sit under this one $25 account. One thing that surprised me, you also have to verify your identity now. Google will ask for real documents, and there's also a developer verification deadline coming. If you are publishing in 2026, so do that early, so don't leave it. Account done. Next. Now the actual app. Let's create the app first. For the app name, I have prepared everything in an MD file. Our app's name is Focus Timer. Let's just copy it. As for the package name, already prepared one for it. It's an app. Our app is free. For the declaration, developer confirm, do both, and then create app. Let's wait a few minutes. Okay, we will do the process that's needed. They will give us a list to do it. So first we have to set up our privacy policy. So we already have a privacy policy ready. We will just follow the steps. Then we have to do the sign-in details. My app does not have a sign-in feature, so we will place no. If your app has a sign-in details, then you click yes. And ads. No, my app doesn't have any ads, so I will click no. Then I'll place the content rating. For the content rating part, email address, just give your own email address here. Let me give mine here. As for the category, it's all other category. If your app is a social app or a game app, you can click the one which goes well with it. Now, please read these lines carefully because this will make or break your app. Downloaded app. Does this app contain any rating relevant? Does your app have any text violence or language related stuff? So you have to click no. Mainly you have to do it according to your own app's requirements. So user content sharing, my app doesn't have any content sharing features. Online content, does your app feature promoted content that isn't part of the initial app download? No, my app doesn't provide this. Promotion or sales of age restricted product or activities? No, my app doesn't do any of that. Miscellaneous. Does the app share the user's current and precise physical location with the other users? No, my app doesn't share it. Does the app allow user to purchase digital goods? No, we don't sell any digital goods on the app. Does this app include cash rewards? No, we don't give any rewards. Does this app browser or search engine? No. So is your app a primary news or education product? No. So after clicking everything, we will save it. Then next. Okay, then we will click save again. Our declaration is done. We'll go back to the same place. Here's the targeted audience. Normally keep it over 13 because if you go under 13, then you might have some future problems in showing ads or monetizing it. So I always keep it 13 to 15. 13, 15, 16, 17, and 18 over. As for the data safety, read it if you want. We will just skip it. Okay. Does your app collect or share any required user data? No, we don't collect or share any. Then save. Okay, we're done also here. Okay, now is your app developed by or on behalf of a government? No, this is our personal app. So we will click no. And financial features. So does our app have any financial features, or is it a banking app or a stock trading or anything that sort of app? No, our app is just a Pomodoro focus timer. So it doesn't have any. If your app does, then you have to declare it, because without declaring what your app type is, your app is going to get banned in Play Store. So always keep track of it. Now for the other two declarations, does our have an advertiser ID? For the advertising ID, it means if my app shows any ads. For currently, as we are publishing our app, I suggest to all the viewers, the first, you please don't put in any advertising ID or any ad box, because unless you get more than 500 installs or daily or regular more than 500 active users, you won't be earning much money from the ads. So you shouldn't do it, because in the initial stage, you people need to come and install your app, and they need to have a premium experience to suggest more people. So well, let's keep it for now. After maybe 500 or 1,000 installs, we will add mob and show ads to our people. So if not, we will just keep it free for them, or that time particularly only. So let's select no and then save. Let's go back. We have another declaration waiting. Yeah, health app. Okay. Is our app anything related to health, like diabetes monitoring or any health supplement related? No, our app doesn't have any sort of features, any of these sort of features. So we will select no and click save here. Okay, our declarations are done. Now let's see, select our app category. So for the category, we will select, what category should we do? Personalization. Our app category mainly, I think it falls under personalization. So let's keep it that. Okay, so now we have another one. Let's give an email. We will give our website address. Okay, we are mostly done here. Go to our dashboard again. So this is done. Let's create our store listing. Okay, so here's our store listing. So I have previously given, this is my app name. So let's give a short description. I think I have already prepared it. Yeah, this is the one. Pomodoro timer. I will just copy it, paste it here. As for the description, I've already prepared it. Let's just copy it and place it here, and we are done. As for the icon, it's also ready. Let's see, which folder do we have it? What is the focus timer? So yeah, this is the app. And now for the featured graphics. This is the featured graphics. And you can put a video if you have one. Just upload it in your YouTube channel and then paste the link here. I don't have any, so I will skip it. And now I will upload the screenshot of my app. So these are the 6 screenshots. Add them all at once. Then for the tablet, we'll upload the same screenshot again. Okay, for the 10-inch tablet, same. Oh, I think we didn't add. Okay, we didn't add the tablet one. Yeah, and then don't AI label it, and now we'll click save. So 90% of our job is done. Now mainly the task that is left is that we will upload our app here. So let's go to the dashboard again. So let's see, we will go for the close testing. Select our countries. How many countries can access our app? I will select all of them. Okay, then the select testers. Okay, testers, we will get to this part later. Let's complete the other things. Create a release. Now for the app upload, Google doesn't take APK anymore for new apps. It takes an AAB file, an Android app bundle. Your build tool produces it, you upload it here, and Google generates the right APK for each individual app. So I have everything ready already. Let's upload it. This one, I will click open. Okay, as for the release name, I will put in the version it is in. For you, normally it's 1.0.0. You can put it any release name you want. So here I will just put version 1. Let's wait. Okay, so it's uploaded. Now we'll go to the next. It's showing us error. Please know that the app uses exact alarm features. Okay, our app has an alarm clock, so we will declare that as well. As for the warning, ignore it for now. You don't need to care about it. Then click save. Okay, we are not done yet. Don't click the submit button for now. We haven't added the testers yet. So the thing I talked about previously, in Android Play Store, you need 12 testers. 12 testers who need to use your app for 2 weeks continuously. So without those 12 testers, your app is not going to go live anytime soon. So the main policy is that in your close testing tester section, you create an email list, like suppose demo email here. Then you add your testers, like 12 individual people who have Google accounts. They have access to an Android phone. They have to install your app. They have to use it every day for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, they will give a review. After their review, you can officially apply for production of your Android app. So this is a trap I was not warned about before making an app, because after those 2 weeks, it takes around another week to review your app if it's eligible for production. After that review, they will take another, maybe if you have a new Play Console account, it will take another maybe 4 to 5 days to finally your app to be on the Play Store live. This is what happened in my first app. For my first app, the exam countdown app, it took me 2 weeks just for the close testing. Then five, then I think it was 7 days. 7 days for my close, 7 days for the review, and another week just to be launched directly in Play Store. So it took me around a month. So if you guys are wondering that I will just make a wonderful app today and publish it tomorrow, people will download it from tomorrow. That's not going to happen. It's a 1 month game. So you have to add your 12 testers here. Then you have to go to your published and review. Then you will submit it for review. After that review is done, you will go back to the close testing. You will get a link, then share it with your 12 testers. They will install it, and after they install it, they will use it for the next 2 weeks. So in case of 12 testers, take my one suggestion: make a spreadsheet of it, add your 12 friends that, or 12 people that will help you with the 12 testers. Every day knock them up to use my app for 5 minutes. They must use your app for 5 minutes every day. Then after they have the 5 minutes are done, take a feedback from them if they have used it. If yes, then good. If no, then use it now. Keep track for 2 weeks, then after 2 weeks your app will go live. Okay, so that's the main process of applying to Play Store. I will show you my other apps. So these are my apps which are directly in production in Play Store. This one is currently what we just made, and the others are in either close testing or review. So that's it. So that's it for the video. If you like it, then please like, share, comment, and share it with your friends who are interested in publishing an app.